You're watching Media TV.
Oh.
What are you tweaking about?
I have an 82-year-old man in the car, and you all spinning and disturbing. Just because it's 4th of July doesn't mean you get a
You're drunk.
you, dog.
You're the one swerving. I was just following you.
I'm the one swerving?
Oh,
I'm the one.
yeah, it was actually. Oh, there she goes. And, okay.
Well, you couldn't make this up even if you wanted to. That driver is definitely drunk, or on drugs, or both, while also being a complete idiot. I like that the camera stopped his nonsense and ignored him trying to double down on said nonsense.
Oh my God! Don't let somebody walk. This never works. No. Sorry, I'm on the inside lane, and the person in front of me is letting the car turn left in front of us. So now, here we go. Boom.
I love how the camera literally predicted this before it even happened. I've said it numerous times before and I'll say it again. Avoid cut-throughs, and also don't be nice, be predictable behind the wheel. The biker tried to skip traffic and failed miserably. The kicker was, there was no helmet in sight. According to the camera, there were no serious injuries. This was incredibly satisfying. The BMW driver used the turn lane to cheat traffic and run a red and got instantly pulled over. Hopefully, the book gets thrown at him. The Civic driver tried to pass a pickup truck using a merge lane and paid the price for it. He then proceeds to go straight through the intersection from the turn-only lane. A true idiot. The camera was so calm about this, I would have been on my horn 7 ways till Sunday the moment I saw those lights come on. Unethical life pro tip. Install a tow hitch so next time you get love tapped, the driver who hits you gets a damaged radiator.
It's my right away.
The driver drives into the camera in this parking lot and then tries to lie and say that the camera was speeding. Thanks to dashcam footage, his story was shut down real quick. Gosh, that was Ricky Bobby. I'd recognize that aggressive driving anywhere. That was definitely Ricky Bobby Jr. Honestly, the camera met a celebrity and I'm pretty jealous. Thanks to dashcam footage, police were able to find the driver 4 hours later. Supposedly, he was involved in yet another hit and run earlier in the day. The sedan was a dunce for not letting the truck in, and then he became a massive idiot when he seemingly brake checks the truck and then yells at him out of his window.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Holy holy holy. Okay, Garmin, save video.
The police believe either the driver fell asleep behind the wheel or had a medical emergency. Either way, this could have wound up much worse, and I'm glad that it didn't. That's not a merge. They were changing lanes, and they were wrong to attempt that at that time.
Will create something greater than I could have alone. She smiled back. Didn't say it that way. You make it sound like the odds are against it being possible. Or I should say there is the most reasonable outcome. Thank you, Mother.
High storm coming.
To humans, our very visages become symbols, and you'll find echoes of it even in the art from return. Music of hell.
You broke my windshield!
Good thing that the camera's in Florida, and it's one of 3 states, Kentucky and South Carolina also, where by law he has a no-cost windshield replacement irrespective of what insurance policy he has. Attempting to overtake 2 cars and 1 truck on an incline with a blind curve. Not a good idea, especially when a car is lacking power. Had the Prius just stayed in their lane during their turn, this wouldn't have been an issue.
If the Mustang comes on pitch to my Xbox and I set 8 on my pop car at the window for the whole night, hey, banging my door, my man text on one bar. In jail a Type R at a Honda, I'll be on VP with the freaks and the nuts are. Thinking your head's pushing the heart to this tune that can get strong with my love arm. If I'm on the exercise yard.
The funniest part is the driver giving her the go-ahead gesture to the pedestrian, and the pedestrian in turn gesturing for her to get out of the intersection. All that driver assistance technology on a Tesla, and he still managed to confuse left and right. I guess there's only so much a car can do, but it can never fix stupid. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video. I hope I can post more for y'all in the near future. With love, DDS.